Welcome to Kidly Art. Hello friends, today we learn how to draw this beautiful police car. First of all friends, we will draw a line, then draw another line. After this friends, we will draw a curve, then we can draw circles on both sides, and after this we can draw small circles inside these circles. Friends, count with me: 1, 2, 3. We can draw 3 lines. After this friends, we can draw 3 curves. Friends, do you like cars, and which type of cars you like? Now friends, we can draw a small capsule above these curves. After this, write letter T. Now draw 2 small lines. After this dear friends, we can draw another line. Then friends, we draw letter U on both sides. So our police car is ready. If you like, don't forget to subscribe. Now friends, this is a magic time. Blink blink. Wow, this car is looking very cute now. Let's watch the car drive. I hope you learn and enjoy friends.